Hey guys, if you're looking for the best car ramps for safe and easy vehicle maintenance, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to cover the top 5 best car ramps that are currently available on the market. We selected these ramps based on strength, safety, durability, user reviews, and overall value. If you want to check the latest prices or get more details about any of the products mentioned in this video, you'll find all the links in the description box below. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1, Rhino Gear Ramps, Max Vehicle Ramp. Starting our list with one of the most popular options on the market, Rhino Gear Ramps. These portable automotive ramps are a dependable solution for routine vehicle maintenance. Built with a rugged structural design, they provide solid and stable access to the underside of your car. The 17-degree incline makes them compatible with low-clearance vehicles, which is perfect for oil changes, inspections, and general maintenance. With an impressive 16,000-pound gross vehicle weight capacity, these ramps can easily support most sedans, SUVs, and trucks. They also feature a core-track non-skid base, which enhances grip and minimizes slippage, a critical safety feature. When not in use, the nestable design makes storage simple and space-saving. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional mechanic, these ramps deliver an excellent balance of strength, safety, and convenience. Number 2, Max Haul Car Ramp. Next on our list is the Max Haul Car Ramp, a great option for home mechanics. These heavy-duty plastic ramps support up to 3,250 pounds per ramp, giving you a 6,500-pound total capacity, which is more than enough for most cars and light trucks. They provide a 6.25-inch lift height, offering easy access to the underside of your vehicle for oil changes and inspections. Each ramp features a rigid surface for improved tire traction, along with rubber stops at the base to help prevent slipping. They're lightweight, yet sturdy, and feature a compact, stackable design, making storage quick and easy. Just remember, always use these ramps on a hard, level surface and avoid gravel or sloped areas. Overall, these ramps offer a solid mix of strength, safety, and affordability. Number 3, Roblox low-profile car ramps. Coming in at number 3, we have the Roblox low-profile car ramps, designed specifically for sports cars and low-clearance vehicles. These ramps feature a gentle 17-degree slope with a 2.6-inch lift height, providing just enough clearance for placing a jack or performing light maintenance. The 10-inch wide surface accommodates wider tires, reducing overhang risks, especially on modified vehicles. Built from impact-resistant polypropylene material, the honeycomb structure improves grip, while the drainage design prevents moisture buildup. Despite their 20,000-pound GVW capacity, these ramps are incredibly lightweight and portable, making them ideal for both home garages and professional shops. If you own a low-profile car, these ramps are a smart and reliable choice. Number 4, Black Widow Plastic Car Service Ramps. At number 4, we have the Black Widow Plastic Car Service Ramps. Constructed from high-impact plastic, these ramps are durable while remaining lightweight and easy to maneuver. They lift your vehicle 6.25 inches off the ground, making them perfect for oil changes, inspections, and routine maintenance. With a combined 10,000-pound weight capacity, they're suitable for most cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. An internal support system runs through the center to evenly distribute weight for added stability. The open grid design prevents water, snow, and dirt buildup, ensuring reliable use in all weather conditions. Sold as a set of 2, these ramps are easy to store and a great addition to any DIY garage. Number 5, Tony Racing Super Slopes Low Profile Ramps. Last but not least, we have the Tony Racing Super Slopes, designed specifically for lowered and low-profile vehicles. These ramps feature an ultra-gentle 9-degree incline, protecting your front bumper or splitter while allowing easy access to floor jack points. Each ramp lifts the vehicle 3 inches off the ground, which is perfect for jacking and light maintenance. They support up to 300 pounds per ramp, or 6,600 pounds total, making them ideal for compact and mid-size cars. The honeycomb design enhances traction and prevents moisture buildup. Compact, lightweight, and nestable, these ramps are perfect for tight garage spaces and easy storage. So, what do you think about today's list? If this video helped make your buying decision easier, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos. All product links are available in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.